Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today I'm back with a new video content on how to tag or mention someone in your Instagram story. If you are an Instagram user, you must have seen people tagging their friends and mentioning them on their Instagram story. If you'd like to do the same, but you don't know how, keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Start by tapping open your Instagram application from the app drawer. Make sure you're signed into your account, and once you are, tap on the plus button at the bottom of the screen. From this page, go to the bottom of the screen and select the story mode. Simply record this story from your camera, or you can also go to your phone library at the bottom left. This will take you to your phone gallery. Now go ahead and pick an image or a video. Once you pick an image, you'll be able to adjust the image like how you would want it to appear on your story. Zoom in or out the picture on the screen. Once you're done, in order to mention someone, tap on the AA button at the top right corner. Now type in @ and type in the username of the person that you would like to mention, and soon after you start typing, you'll be able to see the suggestions displayed on the screen at the bottom. Go ahead and tap on the profile of the person or an account that you would like to mention, and soon after you do that, drag the mentioned text to the desired position that you'd like. Once you're done, tap on your story icon at the bottom left, and you'll be able to tag or mention someone in your Instagram story. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll see you back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.